Once you have highlighted your evidence that supports Earth, you're going to put a star next to the two strongest pieces of evidence that you found that supports Earth. So, right here, under challenges for space exploration, although I highlighted this evidence saying that exploring space is more dangerous than exploring the ocean, and that leaving Earth is very difficult and expensive, I chose not to highlight or not to put a star next to that, sorry, because to me that's not the strongest piece of evidence that I have. So if I go into humans should stay home, there's a lot stronger evidence in here. For example, as you can see, I put a star next to this piece of evidence. The author explains that sending humans to Mars would cost about $1 trillion over 25 years. Funding a Mars mission could take money away from other important needs on Earth. The reason why I chose that is because it is a very strong piece of evidence. It mentions a number, 1 trillion over 25 years, which shows just how expensive space travel really is. The other piece of evidence that I chose to put a star next to, and again, there are quite a few in this text that are really good, is the author explains that space travel is especially dangerous for humans because of radiation exposure. Well, we all know that radiation exposure, as it says in the text, can increase the risk of cancer. So I thought that that was a really strong piece of evidence to use to support focusing on Earth. So what I want you to do right now is put a star next to the two strongest pieces of evidence that you can find supporting focusing on Earth.